Okay, for this one, we're gonna stretch our chest to the front. 4 counts. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now to the back. 4 counts. 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's go again. 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 2 counts. 5, 6, 7, go. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. 1 count. 5, 6, 7, go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, faster, we're gonna go, and 1, and 2. 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, and 2, and 3, and 4, and 5, and 6, and 7, and 8. Okay, now let's mix this with the bounce. If you don't know the bounce, check my bounce tutorial in the description below. Okay, so from here, when we put the chest inside, we're gonna bounce in the same time. So it's gonna be and 1, and 2, and 3, and 4, 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 and 1, and 2, and 3, and 4. Okay, good job, good job, good job. Now, to the music. Let's go, DJ. Five, 6, 5, 6, 7, go, and 1. Okay. In your dance class, you can do the stretch part every time after the warm-up, and then you can practice with the bounce. In case it's too fast, you can do it half speed, like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I'll show you to the music. DJ, drop it like it's hot. 5, 6, 5, 6, 7, go. Hey guys, I hope that you enjoy it. If you want to support my channel, press that like button, press the subscribe, and of course press the notification bell if you want to get notified every time I post something new. Peace and love.